I'm Carrie Hammock, and I'm teaching second grade this year at Pleasantville. This is my 18th year teaching. Both of my boys go to Fairfield Union, and I'm excited to meet all of you and see you again. See you soon.
Hi, I am Abby White. I am a second grade teacher here at Pleasantville Elementary. This is my 17th year teaching with Fairfield Union. I have 2 Falcons of my own. Lucas is a freshman this year at the high school, and Mackenzie will be in 6th grade. I can't wait to see all your faces again and be back in the classroom.
I'm Miss Dunkle, and I am the intervention specialist for second grade. My daughter Lily is going to be in 3rd grade, and this is my 7th year at Pleasantville, and I'm so excited to be back at school.
Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie Dennis. I have little baby falcons at home, a 3-year-old and a 10-month-old. I've been teaching, this will be my 7th year. I am excited to see everybody and be health heroes.
Bye. We can't wait to see you.